Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Today we're back for another What's for Dinner. If you didn't know, I post these every Sunday and I hope you guys enjoyed them. You guys seem to be loving these videos, so I'm so excited about that. So let's hop into today's What's for Dinner.
And now our love will make us so much better. There will be no more lonely nights.
So on the first night it was super cold, so I wanted to make homemade potato soup. You guys, this is the easiest, most delicious potato soup ever. So all you're gonna need is some hash browns, some cubed hash browns, 3 cans of chicken broth, a can of cream of celery soup, a thing of cream cheese, an onion, and some salt and pepper to taste. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a big pot, put in our hash browns. You guys, I love this because I don't have to chop anything, I don't have to peel anything, I don't have to do anything. And then we're going to add our 3 cans of chicken broth and then our 1 can of cream of celery soup.
I'm so in love with her, I'm falling, try again. Get up and try again.
Now we're just going to chop up a little bit of onion. If you like more onion, you can do so. It's just whatever you like. I'm just going to use a little bit, and we're going to put that into the pot as well. And then we're just going to stir all of that up, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper just for taste. Do not add your cream cheese yet. I cannot say that enough. Do not add the cream cheese yet. Then you're going to just let this simmer for about 20 minutes until the potatoes get a consistency that you like. I like mine really mushy. Some people like them more hard, so you have more chunks of potato. It's just whatever you guys prefer.
Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, I'll take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just waiting.
Okay, so once your potatoes are where you like them, you guys, I totally forgot to do this in the beginning, but turn your heat off. If you don't before you put your cream cheese in, it will splatter everywhere. So make sure you turn the heat off, put your cream cheese in, and mix it around as best you can. When you get the cube of cream cheese, it's kind of hard because it is really thick. You could get like a little thing of the spread and it would probably mix better, but this is fine for me, and it's way cheaper. So you're just gonna put that in, mix it around, and then you're just gonna let it sit and keep stirring it every so often. I'm just making some of this great value bacon in the microwave. You guys, it's the best. It's way better than bacon bits, and it's super easy. I put mine on for 30 seconds, and then I check it, and then I put it on for another 30 because I like mine really crispy. And then you're done, you guys. It's that easy. It's so simple, and it turned out so delicious. We like cheese and bacon in ours, but you could put whatever you like. So that is it for homemade potato soup. So on this next night, we are going to be making easy chicken Alfredo. And if you watched last week's What's for Dinner, we had a whole comment section going on about what the salt was for in the water. So that's a whole different story. And so for today, we're going to be making chicken Alfredo. I'm going to get my water going to boil, and then I'm going to season my chicken with this Zatarain's Blackened seasoning. You guys, this is going to be like the best thing for your chicken Alfredo is this seasoning for the chicken. So I'm just going to season this all around both sides, and then we're just going to fry up that chicken. Once the water starts boiling, we are going to add our fettuccine noodles. So easy, you guys. This meal is so cheap and it's so easy, and it literally tastes like it came from Olive Garden, if not better. I'm obsessed with this, and this is like my daughter's favorite meal of all time. While that cooks, I'm just going to add some cheesy breadsticks. You can have whichever you want. This Classico creamy Alfredo sauce is the best from the store. You can make yours homemade, but you guys, if you're a working mom like me, you don't have time, you're exhausted. So I just buy the jar Alfredo sauce, I put it on the pan, and I just warm it up. And then it's time to drain our noodles, and then I'm just going to cut some chicken up and get ready for the chicken Alfredo.
Reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
A little tip, if your noodles are getting sticky, just add some butter to them and it just smooths them all out and it gives them a nice buttery flavor too. So I just take my noodles and then I put sauce and then I put chicken on top. We served ours with breadsticks. You can have a salad with it too, but I forgot to pick up salad. So we just had chicken Alfredo and breadsticks and it was delicious. Okay guys, this next night we're making cube steak with potatoes and squash and cottage cheese. Here's me making my homemade ranch. You guys, these homemade ranch packets are so much better than store-bought ranch. I just love them. So I'm going to go ahead and make that. And then I'm going to peel and cut up my potatoes to make for our potatoes and squash.
You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay guys, who else is obsessed with Making a Murderer? Season 2 just came out on Netflix and I'm totally obsessed, so that is what I'm watching on my phone while I cook dinner. Let me know down below if you are obsessed with Making a Murderer as much as I am.
Stepping out, it's Friday.
Okay, so now I'm just going to add some vegetable oil into the bottom of my pan, and then I'm just going to put the potatoes in. I'm going to slice up some squash, and then I'm going to put that in the pan as well.
I want to spend some time back with you.
So once I've got those veggies in there and the potatoes and the squash, I'm going to add my Tony Chachere's and my Cavenders Seasoning, and I'm just going to stir that all around. And if you guys have not tried these two seasonings, I'm telling you, I use them in every single What's for Dinner, I think, and they're just amazing. So I'm just going to let those fry, and I stir those occasionally. And then I'm going to use both of those to season our cube steaks as well. And then I'm just going to fry ours up on the griddle until they're done.
The one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good.
Okay guys, this is how it turned out, and who else eats ranch with their steak? I know I'm not the only one. We just served this with some cottage cheese and it was amazing. So for the last night, we made homemade pizzas. You guys, we've never done this before and have always talked about doing it. And I'm telling you, not even that the pizza was so good, the experience that we had with our son was like the best. He had so much fun, and I just think this was just a great idea if you want to, you know, incorporate your kids into mealtime. We just had a blast with this. It was so much fun, and I just cannot say enough good things about this meal. Like, everything about it was amazing, and the pizza turned out to be so delicious.
Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can't live without. Time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
So you guys, this is what our pizzas looked like. Let me know down below if you eat ranch with your pizza too, or, you know, am I the only crazy person who eats ranch with everything? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this What's for Dinner. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up before you guys leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!